One of the most effective ways to develop quality videos or presentations is to utilize screen recording software. You've likely seen this being used many times before. Video creators will record their screens to help showcase what they're talking about, walk you through a tutorial, or explain things more quickly. But how do they actually achieve this? There's a large variety of screen recording software on the market today with a diverse set of additional features. I'm about to break down what I found to be the top solutions, both the paid premium options, as well as free screen recording software for those just looking to try it out. Because the majority of us are using Windows, I'll focus primarily on Windows software. However, I will also mention whether or not the software also supports Mac or Linux as I cover them. Let's get into it. Overall best pick for the paid section is Camtasia. Camtasia is the industry leader for paid screen recording software. Those that utilize screen capture to make a living, such as technical trainers or entrepreneurs, likely use Camtasia due to its powerful performance and robust set of features. It's also what I use myself for most of my screen capture needs, such as the videos I produce on my YouTube channel. Some of my favorite features include the ability to capture audio or webcam video as you're recording in addition to the desktop sounds, the ability to capture only a specific window or area of your choosing, the ability to draw on the screen or highlight mouse clicks to kind of give attention to the important sections as you're recording. The fact that it runs so smoothly without bogging down your system, honestly, it's very quick and easy to work with. Camtasia also comes with a bundled video editor. It's not nearly as powerful as something like Adobe Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas, but it gets the job done if you only need to do quick little edits like trimming, zooming, adding transitions or text or pointers, and so on. This makes it very quick to produce quality screen capture videos, especially for those producing a large volume of them. The beauty of Camtasia is in its simplicity. It does exactly what you need it to do every time you want to use it, without requiring any lengthy setup or headaches. Until that changes, I feel little need to use much else. That being said, the main drawback of Camtasia right now is that it doesn't record above 30 frames per second. So if you're a game or media studio where 60 FPS or higher is a requirement, you may want to opt for something else instead. The price of Camtasia is $249 and it runs on Windows and Mac. Overall best pick for the free section, Open Broadcaster software, also commonly called OBS. Open Broadcaster software is a beast of a program, and it may be even better than Camtasia if your needs are a little bit more advanced. OBS is free and open source, and will handle all of your screen recording needs better than most paid solutions. There's only one reason it's not my primary screen recorder. It's very powerful, which also makes it a bit more complicated. Getting up and running takes a bit more time due to the sheer amount of options available to you. Some highlight features include the ability to capture any specific area or window, even if that window is not in front on your computer. The ability to capture multiple windows simultaneously and rearrange them as you see fit. The ability to capture audio or camera from a number of different sources at once. You can save these different setups as a scene, is what they call them, and then switch between these during recording. Built-in chroma keying for green screen use. And the ability to stream directly to Twitch TV and YouTube. Honestly, there's very little you can accomplish with OBS. It's almost hard to believe that it's actually free. They definitely could have charged a lot of money for it. In addition to Windows, it also runs on Mac and Linux, so good option there as well. Now let's cover some other good choices that weren't my top two for paid or free, but still worth considering. Because if for any reason you don't want to use either Camtasia or Open Broadcaster software, there's a number of other choices available to you as well. The first one is Bandicam. Bandicam offers many of the same features as Camtasia at a much cheaper price, $39. The primary drawbacks is that it seems to run a bit less smoothly and does not have any sort of built-in video editor. If you already have video editing software, however, this isn't really much of an issue. For those looking to try it out, Bandicam also offers a free version. The free version is limited in some ways though. Free users are only able to record up to 10 minutes at once, and a Bandicam watermark appears over all the videos. Upgrading to the paid version removes its limitations. Again, the price is $39 and it runs on only Windows. ShareX. Another free and open source option is ShareX. I actually use this as my primary screenshotting tool, rather than the snipping tool that comes built into Windows. Using ShareX, you can map different types of screenshots, such as capturing a certain window versus your entire screen, to different hotkeys, and then automatically take certain actions afterwards, such as uploading the photo to the internet or opening it in a photo editor. For video capture, it offers many of the same features as other screen recording options. You can also record your screen and output to a GIF file, GIF, we're not going to get into that debate here, which isn't something that Camtasia does at this time. The price for this is free, and as of right now, it only runs on Windows. Snagit. Finally, we have Snagit, which is made by the same company that produces Camtasia. Snagit is much more bare bones than Camtasia, but still has all the essential features. I would recommend it in particular to those looking to make quick little tutorial type videos, due to the ease of being able to add things like text or arrows to your captures after recording. It's also great for larger companies looking to aid in communication across teams. If screenshot tools are also important to you, it offers many of the same features as ShareX, making a great all-in-one solution. There's a video that I'll link to in the description that explains more about the difference from Camtasia and Snagit, and the video is actually produced by TechSmith themselves, who is the creator of both softwares. Conclusion. You can't really go wrong with any of the options I just mentioned. The best choice for you will come down to what you value most. For those looking to create screen captures quickly and easily, Camtasia is still the best software available for that task. However, if you want to record something very complex, Open Broadcaster software truly shines. Snagit is perhaps the best choice for those unwilling or unable to spend $249 for Camtasia, and Bandicam or Shugz both have their benefits as well. I'd love to hear which software you're planning to use going forward. Of course, if there are any questions I can answer for you, just let me know. Best of luck with your videos. To your success, James McAllister.